the Heart and Soul Show. We'll be dealing with some of your deepest thoughts, some of your feelings, and matters pertaining to the heart. So make sure you tune in to the Heart and Soul Show every Tuesday, channel 115, 6:30 to 7 p.m., Cablevision Long Island. And don't forget to visit us on YouTube, Baskets 711. I hope you enjoy all of our shows.
Nice day, huh?
Yeah, man.
Beautiful weather. The makeup for the last couple.
Right.
Yeah, a lot of rain.
Yeah, we're just here doing a little work.
Oh, cool. Sharing the beautiful spot.
We'll just wait for it.